Hi guys, my name is Pushpendra, and once again I came with a new video which is on Map View Kit. Here I will explain you how you can draw a path on a Map View Kit in between 2 points. One is your source point and another will be your destination point. So I hope you are very clear about the title of the video. So let's begin with the development now. So create a new project. Next, I'm just giving a name MapKit. Click on create button. Cool. Now new project will open your main storyboard. Now attach with the MapKit view and set the constraint to that. Center horizontal and center vertical is not required. We will set the right, left, bottom, top constraint to that. Now our map view came to full screen. Now we will set the outlet into our controller file. Good. Drag and drop and give the name map view. Close that. Close also this file. Open view controller. Now import MapKit. MapKit. Now this error will go on. Now we will see the output, how it will looks like. Now you can see map came to the simulator and showing my current location, current country location. Okay. Now we will take one source latitude longitude, and in this example I am taking as a static latitude longitude. Here I am giving my source is Delhi. I am giving Delhi latitude longitude, which is the capital of India, source location, and same for destination I am giving Gurgaon, which is near to the Delhi. So I will find the path from Delhi to Gurgaon and I will draw a line on the map from Delhi to Gurgaon with the shortest path. Now create a place marker. Marker means pin, you can say it is pin, and same for destination. Destination place marker equal to play mk place marker, equal to place marker, and same coordinate source destination location and address dictionary give nil. Now in next step we will take the item of a map queue item, source location, source place mark, and for destination item destination place mark, mk map item. Basically item is will be used for showing the rendering. mk item place mark, and here we will pass destination place mark. Good. I remove that space. So these three steps has been complete. First, latitude longitude of source destination, then place marker. Now we will set the annotation. First I am creating source annotation. Annotation means once you click on place marker, then the annotation will come, something like title and subtitle. Like here I am giving Delhi as in title, and subtitle I am giving the capital of India. Same for destination. Destination annotation equal to MK point annotation. MK point annotation. Then same copy and paste and rename that with destination annotation. Give the name Gurgaon, Gurugram, and this is the hub of industry. So here you can take any location as per your requirement. Now we will move to the next step, source place marker. Now we will set the coordinate to the annotation where we have to show that. Same to the rename that with location and coordinate. So this will show the detail of that marker. Same for destination. Location equal to destination location dot location and destination annotation dot coordinate. Now we will show the annotation to the map, both annotation, destination and source. So build and see, both annotation is there. Gurugram, if you click on Gurugram, then it will come the hub of IT. Same for Delhi, the capital of India. So in next we will create the direction in between Delhi and Gurugram. So direction request dot source, we will pass the source, and source is in map item. As I told you, this is used for rendering for the direction. Direction dot destination. Now I will pass the direction destination item. Great. Now transition type automobile. You can pass walk also if it is smallest distance. Now I will create the direction with the help of direction request. Direction, okay, rename that so it will be very easy for knowing the work. Direction request, direction request, and below one with direction. Now direction dot calculation with compilation handler, and here response, it will return some response, and also it may be error. So guard let response equal to response, else if error. Actually this is just for a safe mode. If this error you will not handle, then there is chances your application can break. So here we will print error found. Localization description. Now at the very bottom we will type return from the guard if the error exists. Oh, let is missing. So now we will take the route first, which is at the very first position, because first route is the accurate route. and we will add overlay to the map view. Route dot polyline and overlays above the roads. Great. Missing level, so it's done. Now we'll take the rect from the root dot polyline dot bonding map rect, and we will set region to the map so that we can focus that particular position. Okay, coordinate region. Here I will pass that rect and it will set the region of a map. Great. Fix this also. Okay, question mark was there. Now in next step I will take all these things into one single function and I will pass source location and destination location. Create path. I will pass my source location and I will pass my destination location. And now I will set the delegate to the map view so that we can render that line. Create extension of that delegate, mk map view delegate, and the function is called as render for overlay. Yes, select. Now let render equal to mk polyline renderer and with overlay. Here we can set the property of a polyline, something like polyline color, polyline width, or some more property. Here I will give line width as a 5 and setting the color of a polyline with the property stroke color. Here I am trying with green color and return this renderer. So great guys, now it is almost done. Now you can see polyline with complete path from source to destination. Now if you want to do more enhancement, I will change the color with the blue and we will see the output again. So wonderful guys, it's working fine. So I hope you understand very clearly that video, and if you have any doubt or any feedback regarding that video, then please comment into the comment box, and next video I will create with multiple routes into the map. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe because I do hard work for you. Thanks a lot.